Social Security Death Index with the St. Louis County Library. To access public records through Ancestry Library Edition, you must be at a St. Louis County Library branch. You may use a public computer or access the Wi-Fi on your personal device. Go to the St. Louis County Library website at www.slcl.org. Once on the St. Louis County Library website, look for the search box in the upper right corner of the website. Select the radio button next to the word Website to search the website. Type Ancestry in the search field and run the search. From the results, select Ancestry Library Edition, St. Louis County Library. Select the blue Go to Resource button. On the Ancestry Library Edition, select Search on the menu bar. From this drop-down menu, select Birth, Marriage, and Death. On the Birth, Marriage, and Death webpage, go to the box called Featured Data Collections and select U.S. Social Security Death Index 1935 through 2014. Type in the first and last name, the birth date and the death date, and finally, the location. Even approximate birth and death dates can help guide Ancestry to your desired Social Security Death Index entry. Run the search by clicking the blue search button at the top. In the list of search results, click the blue View Record next to the desired record. The entry will tell you the individual's name, Social Security number, and birth date, the state from which the Social Security number was issued, the zip code and city in which they were last known to be living, and their death date. To save a copy of a record, click the gray Print button near the upper right corner. In the Destination drop-down, you can choose if you would like to print or save the document. To print, select the printer in the destination and select the Print button. To save, select Save as PDF in the destination and select the Save button. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact the St. Louis County Library History and Genealogy Department.